Good morning. This is of chapter 2 introducing Windows 7. Today we are going to discuss about characteristics of Windows 7. I have shared you some videos from YouTube that those are reference video about this topic. Now I am going to explain you in theoretically. Basically this Windows 7 operating system having special features with its own. Here first touch screen. If I say touchscreen, definitely main thing which is striking on your mind is your mobile, your Android mobile. But before that, this Windows operating system had been created with the features of touchscreen. Instead of using the mouse and keyboard, you just use your hand, you just use your finger to select the files and copy the files, and you can type there itself. They are using a special component in Windows 7 operating system, which means in the hardware component. The hardware component that is called touch sensitive screen. And Windows 7 also having some special software component to run those effects efficiently. So with the help of touchscreen, we can finger paint, use the paint software. The touchscreen is also available in mobile phones, ATMs, tablets, ticket collection terminals, etc. We know that when you're going to ATM means you can find the touchscreen there also. So likewise, the touchscreen make user to be closer to the operating system, be closer to the computer system. So that is how this touchscreen works and it rule until now. So this Windows operating system has its own pride by introducing the touchscreen with its operating system. Now I am going to explain you about shake and snap features in Windows 7 operating system. Here, first click on the top of the window, drag your mouse without releasing the mouse button. Then every other window will minimize except the one you are working upon. So I have to click on the top of the window and drag the mouse without releasing the mouse button. See, I am just clicking the top of the window. This is the top of the window, clicking, and I am just dragging without moving, without releasing the mouse button. Once it hit, see, listen what's happening here. The window which is active in my screen becomes larger, that is maximized. So that is how this first option is working. Next, snap helps to resize the open window quickly. Drag any window to the left edge of the screen, another to the right, which will enable us to view two windows side by side. I am just taking this window, I am taking towards to the left edge. Listen what is happening. It becomes off of the, it dominate the off space of the my screen, and I am opening, and another window just move towards the right edge. Just move towards the right edge. Listen what happened. So two windows that move each other in two different sides, which means this one towards the left side, that make one part of the screen, and this one moves towards the right of the screen, make a off part of the screen. So this is how drag any window option is working. Next, and the third point is a window dragged into lower edge of the screen will occupy half of the screen and will increase vertically if the window is dragged towards the lower edge. If I drag towards the lower edge, this window will be occupy the half of the screen and will increase vertically. But in my computer it is not happening because of some setting approaches were not done properly, but it will be definitely done in Windows 7 operating system. Next, arrow flip 3D. This feature of Windows 7 enables to preview all open window as file, clicking on Windows key plus tab. This arrow flip 3D, what it will do, this feature will direct the user to the desktop displaying all the open windows. To select view particular window, hold the Windows key and tab key to scroll through the pile of windows. Release both keys to open the desired windows on the screen. Here in my keyboard I am just holding the Windows button and selecting the tab button, listen what is happening. See, whatever windows that is active in my computer will be shown as three-dimensional view. By this I can understand what are the windows are active and which window I can select. If I want to select this window, if I remove my finger from the Windows button, this window will be active. Again, if I hold the Windows button again and clicking the tab button, that will let me to move on another window. So this is how Aeroflip 3D is running. This is one of the finest visual treat for the Windows user that provided by the Windows 7 operating system. See the smoothness, see the user experience that any user can attain from the Windows operating system. Here. Next, easy search. By typing text in search box of start menu, we can locate number of features in Windows 7. On top of the search box, one can see list of documents, music, pictures and email displayed on the screen. This can be categorized into group, given words and text for easy scanning. Okay. Here they are saying we have to go to start menu. Whatever file we want to search in our computer, we have to type here itself. For example, I am having a picture in the name of sky. I am just typing the file name like SKY. I'm just press enter. That lets to open a window. Here the text which I type as sky is given here. You can see. So I have to select in which place that file supposed to be, which means I have some guesses. So I'm just selecting the computer. See, the file in the name of sky is shown here, blue sky. So this is the file that I need to find. It is an image file. I can close the I can click this close button to stop searching, so that the search option will be finished. Here some other similar files also shown here, blue sky, bg sky. The exact file which is in the name of sky, I just typed like I'm not knowing the exact file name. I'm just typed the sky, but there are some other file in the name in the same name. Here, see. So your computer will be enlisted the file. So whatever name which you are giving, if it is similar to any file, that file will be shown. So this is how easy search is done.